All right. Welcome back to another rendition of Math is Easy, step by step. Okay, thank you for joining me. We have another continuation problem with the same x, y, and z values of p. And so this one is a doozy. Wow, you really want to pay attention to this one. This one could be very tricky if you're not paying attention. So, hey, eyes over here. Check this out. All right. So, an x is equal to p to the fifth power. Everywhere you see x, you're going to substitute p to the fifth power. Y is equal to p to the negative 2 power. And z is equal to 1 over p. All right. Which option below, A, B, C, or D, is the best solution in terms of p? In terms of p. So again, where you see y to the seventh power, you're going to substitute p to the negative 2 for the y. In parentheses, raised to the seventh power. Times z to the second power. Well, z is 1 over p. So you're going to put a 1 over p raised to that second power. And then you have divided by x to the 11th power. X equals p to the fifth power. Substituting a p to the fifth power for x raised to the power of 11. All raised to the power of 0. Which option is the best answer? A, B, C, or D? A, 1 over x is the solution. B, 0. C, 1. D, 1 over x to the second power. All right, so this is a test-taking strategy. If you're supposed to substitute p, the different values for p for x, y, and z, then shouldn't the answer be in p? So you can cross off option A. It was left in x. The answer was left in x. It should be in terms of p, just like the question asked. And then part D here, 1 over x squared, cross it off. Cannot be D, cannot be A, because the answer should be in terms of p. So again, test-taking strategy, check that out. Now, we're left with a 50%. If you had to guess, you're left with a 50% chance to guess. B is equals 0 or C equals 1. All right, I'm going to point something out here real quick. So again, if you were to guess, which one would you guess? 0 or 1? So let's take a look at this particular problem again. We have y to the 7th power times z to the 2nd power divided by x to the 11th power raised to the power of 0. Ooh. This is a big clue. This is a big clue. Anything to the power of 0 is always going to be equal to 1. So the answer here is C. The answer is C, 1. Again, anything raised to a power of 0 is equal to 1. Right? So the answer is C. Watch my videos on exponential rules. They will help you dramatically in understanding the different rules involved with exponents. The answer here is C. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. If I've helped you, please help me help others. Like, follow, and share these videos. Math is easy. Take it step by step.